All right, so we're talking about the vacuum cleaner, where to find the filters and how to change them. So if you take this off, then you will see your first filter right here, and this is the filter that has to come out. There's also a bottom part to it here. Make sure those two parts come off, and then you put that back. There's also one down here. So this actually snaps off the front and pulls off, and then the filter itself is right here. This will actually pull out, and it's like a square filter right here. And then that also has to be changed. And that is how to change your filters on your Shark.